Man, look, listen. Again, bruh. I just be entering raffles sometimes just because it's there. And man, sometimes it works out and sometimes it doesn't. And in this instance, I don't believe it did for two reasons. We about to get into it. Let's go. All right, so I did the unboxing on the Adidas Stan Smith Bapes collaboration for the 30th year anniversary, right? And we all know that, Stan Smith's a pretty iconic shoe when you talk about like just on the status, right? Um, and it's tried and true. It's like Air Force One, bro. You can't go wrong with some Stan Smiths. You beat them to death, they still look good, right? But we also know that people with big ass feet like me, it just don't really work out for you sometimes, bro, with them Stan Smiths. Again, I haven't worn a pair of Stan Smiths in, whew, boy, ages. Yeah, it's been a while since I had on a pair of Stan Smiths. But yeah, so I entered the raffle last weekend on Adidas Confirmed. And whatever, I guess. Well, nobody checking for these. Don't nobody ever be checking for stuff that I hit on. Just yeah. But I hit, obviously. We did unboxing and yeah, they look good. They look real good. First reason I'm not gonna be keeping this sneaker. It's too damn big. Yeah. I normally get a 12 and a half when it comes to Stan Smiths. If they cut a 12 and a half. A 12 fits a little too tight. So I decided, all right, let's go up to a 13, right? I got 13 in these joints, right? And again, with the Bape camo, bro, you can't really go bad. Uh Go wrong with that. But it's just something about the white here and the off-white outsole that just ain't sitting too right with my spirit. That's the second reason why. Like, I like the way the shoe looks. I really do. But that white here is kind of throwing me off just a little bit. But had the shoe fit properly, I would have kept them. But I don't think I'm gonna keep them. I don't really think I'm gonna keep them. I can scoop the 13, but you see them people walking around with the little butt right here hanging up out the back of their shoe right there, and they feet the back of their feet ain't touching that part right there, the heel. You're not gonna catch me around here like that. And it's only like one or two ways to wear a pair of Stan Smith, but really one in the summertime with a pair of shorts. So at least that's my opinion. I just I was kind of excited about these a little bit, but not so much now. I don't know. But I think these are gonna get returned, man. I do believe they're gonna get returned, and it's a nice shoe, man. And again, it's Bape and Adidas. They did plenty collabs before, and stuff flew off the shelf. And the other question about this is this the end of Adidas and Bape? Because I don't think these did that well. That don't dictate how we move here on the set anyway. So get that out the back of your brain. We caught what we like and we wear it because we like it, not because of the hype. So I don't really think I'm gonna keep these though for those main two reasons. This white here and this off-white outsole, it's kind of throwing me off a little bit. And it came with the camo laces. That's cool and all, but I don't think I want to flop around with these on my feet, being that they're too big. So this is not a long video at all. If you're still here, hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can see me and more mishaps with sneakers like these. It's another victim of buying sneakers online, man. You can't try them on. And you get them, sometimes they true to size, sometimes they say they are, sometimes they aren't. This one just happens to be that one where I can't slide with that just because how low the profile is, and my heel ain't really touching that, bruh. Not to mention this all leather tongue make noises like that. I don't know. I like to be seen and not heard. So that's all I got, man. Your boy Money Matt, bruh. Disappointing sneaker buy. Yeah, I really wanted to keep these. I did, but those two issues just a little bit too much for me to overcome. And these joints ain't going to the toe. Well, I tried them on, but you know what I mean. Ain't gonna be no fit put together with these. I'm your boy Money Matt, bruh. Haven't done so already, hit that like and subscribe button like I said before. We broke that 1K barrier for subscribers, and we trying to take it on to the next level, man. I know, small fish, big pond, but hey, whatever you do to contribute to the set, I'm greatly appreciated for you. I'm your boy, man, and I'm out of here. These are two. Gone.